Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the minimum: a modern browser, an editor, and a local server. Create index, HTML and main, JS now, and link the script with defer so HTML parses first. Once linked, write one console. Log to verify the connection. This proves your pipeline works. Make sure to keep DevTools open so you see errors instantly. Doing this first avoids wasted time later and gives you a safe place to iterate quickly as you add real behavior. You now manipulate the page. Grab DOM nodes with query selector and cache them to avoid repeated lookups. This improves performance. Attach event listeners. Click Input, Submit, and when many similar elements exist, use event delegation to simplify code. Once events fire, update class list, text content, or attributes to change the UI. If you need data, call fetch and await the response, then update the DOM. These steps let you transform static markup into interactive features while keeping code maintainable. You wrap up by structuring code. Split into modules, add an init function, and ensure graceful failure paths. Once done, test interactions and edge cases across target browsers and devices, polyfill features if required. Make sure to remove stray console logs and keep errors handled with try/catch or user messages. If something breaks, step through with breakpoints, rerun failing requests in the Network tab, and check the exact error in console. This diagnostic flow fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.